Imagine a nuclear-powered drone flying on a moon that's nearly 1 billion miles away. That's exactly what NASA's Dragonfly mission is set to achieve on Saturn's moon Titan by 2028. Now, why Titan, you may ask? Well, Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is a world that brims with a vast expanse of organic materials. These materials could potentially hold the key to understanding life, not as we know it, but life that may exist beyond our familiar blue planet. The Dragonfly mission aims to unlock this enigma of extraterrestrial life by exploring these organic materials in depth. The Dragonfly team, an assembly of some of the finest minds in space exploration, has been given the green light to proceed with what is known as Phase C. This phase involves finalizing the design and commencing the fabrication of the mission's cornerstone, the nuclear-powered drone. The journey thus far hasn't been without its fair share of challenges. Technical and programmatic hurdles have tested the mettle of the Dragonfly team. However, they've shown their readiness for the next steps, proving once again that the spirit of human ingenuity knows no bounds. The Dragonfly drone, when completed, will be a marvel of modern engineering. It will be equipped with an array of state-of-the-art technology, including cameras, sensors, and samplers. These will be used to examine areas of Titan known to contain organic materials, offering unprecedented insights into this alien world. The team has already made significant technical strides. They've successfully tested the drone's guidance, navigation, and control systems, conducted flight system tests, and simulated Titan's extreme temperature and atmospheric pressure conditions. Each of these steps brings us closer to the day when the drone takes its historic leap to Titan. This monumental mission is managed by the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, known as the APL, and involves collaboration with various partners. Each partner brings unique expertise to the table, making Dragonfly a truly collaborative endeavor. Dragonfly is not just another space mission, it's the 4th mission in NASA's prestigious New Frontiers program. This program represents the pinnacle of innovation and exploration, pushing the boundaries of what we know and where we've been. And so, as we look to the future, we eagerly anticipate the Dragonfly's leap to Titan. This journey promises to rewrite our understanding of life and the universe we inhabit, to continuously be enlightened, like, and subscribe.